Hi guys, my name's Sam. I am a paraeducator in Miss Tara's room 1. And today I'm going to be doing a video for you for outdoor activities that you can do with your kids at home. If you have more than one kid at home, multiple kids, this is a great activity for all of your kids, for your whole family, for you to get outside, take a moment to enjoy this beautiful weather we're having. It is a great time to be outside. So today we're going to be doing wall paint / chalk. So it's not the traditional chalk that you would buy at the store, the hard chalk. So it's DIY because we're stuck at home. So this is things that we can find at home to do. It's more like after we get done, you'll see it comes out as like this paste feeling. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It takes 3 ingredients to make, and one of those ingredients is water. So it is super easy to find, hopefully really easy for you guys to find these ingredients around the house. So for the ingredients, we're going to need flour, water, like I said, and 1 tablespoon or more, depending how much you want to make, of dish soap. So it's 1 cup flour, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon of dish soap. So it's 1 part, and then a tablespoon. So you can make more. You can do 2 parts flour, 2 parts water, 2 tablespoons soap, and so on and so forth. I recommend just sticking to the 1 cup of flour, and just see how much you want to play with, how much you want to make. The optional 4th ingredient, if I didn't already mention, there's a 4th optional ingredient, and that's for color. Completely optional, because as you can see, I have white up here. It's so fun. So for the color, it's just food coloring, which I had in my baking cupboard. So I'm going to start. We're going to start with our flour. I'm going to give you a little baker's tip. I would use a spoon and spoon it into your measuring cup, just because if you stick your measuring cup and scoop it out, it's going to compact the flour, and you're going to end up with way more flour than you bargained for. And also, this is fun to do with your kids at home, like with your kid, your student, our students, just doing hand under hand. So just, you can, maybe use the spoon and just assist them in helping scoop out the flour. Let them feel the flour. It's dry, soft, cold feeling. Okay, so after done with the flour, we're going to get our 1 cup of water. You can use the same measuring cup, totally fine. I don't really want to dirty up a bunch of dishes. I'm sure you don't either. Alright, so we've got our 1 cup of water. We're going to add that into our flour. And water, if you're reading the book with the class, Let's Go on a Bear Hunt, you'd know that water is the first. It's one of the first things they find in the book. It's a river, so it's water. So I know that's what we're working on for the month of March. Okay, and I didn't bring my spoon out, so I'm gonna have to use this one, which is fine. So once you've added your tablespoon of soap, your water, and your flour, just the 3 ingredients, you just go ahead and mix it up. Take a spoon, and you can let them mix it up with you, hand under hand, always. And also, something that's really fun to do, as you can see, my sleeves are rolled up because I'm going to take off my watch, take off any jewelry that you have, and let your kids get their hands in there. It's really ooey, gooey. It's kind of muddy feeling, which is also in the book that we're reading for the month of March. So this is a lot of fun. Very gooey feeling. They're gonna like that. Some of the kids would like that. So give it a good mix up there. And there you go. That is literally it. We just have this really awesome, I don't know if you can see on the camera there, this really awesome, just soft serve paste All right. And I have a lot of art supplies upstairs at my house. Well, guess what? One thing I didn't have a paintbrush. So I actually went to my kitchen and I found one of these like baster things that I don't know, baste turkeys with, or I'm not sure what you call this. And I had taped it to this stick here. This is adapted for some of our friends that are in wheelchairs. They might have, I know I was in another class, had a hard time reaching the wall that we were painting. We were painting a wall, and they had a hard time reaching it. So we actually took rulers in the classroom and taped paintbrushes to rulers, and so it gave them a little arm extension to reach the wall. And it takes, my walls, it's got some texture to it, so I really have to like lather up my makeshift paintbrush here, my DIY. But it's a lot of fun. I've been testing it out a lot. So I wrote my name earlier. And the fourth ingredient, like I said, is you can add color. So some of our friends, they're working on colors, which is great. I can't get that color open. So let me get another color that I can open. There we go. Red is a great visual for some of our friends. Just 2 drops. That's all I add is 2 drops. And so I'm just using my white I'm just going to change my white up. Like I said, you can just keep it white. And that's fine too, because sometimes it really, color doesn't really matter sometimes. It's totally fine. But here we go. So I've got like a pinkish reddish color. It's fun to just play with it. I mean, I've had a lot of fun writing my name. If I could turn my camera around, I've got it all over my walls in my backyard. And you can use your hands to paint with it too. So also on that note, if you don't want to paint your wall, like I said, this is also Sidewalk Chalk. So this is a lot of fun. I took this out earlier into my front yard onto the pavement where it was soft and cold on the pavement. And you can just, put out a blanket, lay out with the kids, and put your hands and do handprints on the pavement, draw, paint with your hands. So that's something totally fun. I know a lot of our kids would love doing that. So this is just a great way to step outside, get out, have fun, play with some chalk. Just so you know, this does wash off. I would not recommend putting something on your wall that didn't wash off, because this is actually a rental house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys get out and take a moment to get out of the house, find some flour, get some water, some dish soap, and you've got Sidewalk Chalk. It's a lot of fun. Wall paint. It is a lot of fun to do. If you have anything you want to see us doing online, if you have any ideas, let us know in the classroom and we will definitely get them put together. Otherwise, I know I've got a lot of fun ideas planned for things that we can do outside. Like I said, it's a great time of year to get out. So we miss you guys. We miss seeing you in the classroom. I know I do. I've been gone on maternity leave and I'm back now. So I'll look forward to seeing you guys virtually. Have a great day. And let me get this turned off. I'm new to Teams. Bye, guys.